The new personal protective equipment face shield with a foam forehead pad, now available from Do It Corporation, can be easily assembled, is comfortable to wear, and provides excellent protection. Each face shield consists of 3 components. There is the PPE face shield, the foam forehead pad, and the head strap. Before assembly, please carefully review the components and the included instruction sheet. To begin assembly, unpack the 3 components and familiarize yourself with each component. Notice the marks along the top of the clear face shield. These marks are designed to help when assembling the face shield. The center bracket markings indicate where to adhere the foam forehead pad. The side marks are designed to help align and size the head strap for a more precise, secure fitting around your head. Take a clear face shield and lay it flat with certification markings face down. The foam forehead pad is to be applied to the back side of the face shield, so the markings can be clearly read from the opposite side. Next, take a foam forehead pad and remove the liner, exposing the adhesive. Apply the foam forehead pad at the top of the face shield between the center bracket markings. Press firmly into place. The marks on either side of the foam forehead pad are for attaching the head strap. The horizontal mark is for aligning the head strap to the shield. The vertical marks are for different head sizes: small, medium, and large. Remove one head strap from the sheet of 5 straps. Apply the exposed adhesive to the front of the face shield. Be careful to align the head strap horizontally with the horizontal hash mark, while also aligning the white material line with the desired vertical head size hash mark. If you don't get it right on the first try, carefully remove the head strap adhesive from the face shield and reapply. Once fitted, the face shield with foam can be worn comfortably for hours. The new PPE face shield with foam is available in a kit containing components for 50 complete face shields. Each kit contains 50 face shields, 50 foam forehead pads, and 50 head straps. For more information or to order the Do It face shield with foam, please call Do It Corporation at 269-637-1121 or 1-800-426-4822 and ask for kit number 539709.